us rethinking what's relevant. And what we need to do, especially in education, is keep things changing.
One of the big topics that comes up is, how do I get my people trained? And we all know training's great for the installer because he's got to put the systems in. But how do I get my other people, my sales, my operations, maybe the end user or the consultant trained on product, because technology's moving so fast? How do we do that, Chuck?
Yeah, that's been one of our focuses this year, Tom. It's it's us rethinking what's relevant. And what we need to do, especially in education, is keep things changing.
Yep.
Right? Because everything is changing around us. So we need to change with the times. And what we've discovered is that, traditionally we have been focused on the technician and getting that technical knowledge out there in the field. But what we haven't really done, and where we're tending to direct our focus today, is for those sales associates and those sales engineers that need the additional information on how to spec products from Bosch, what works well in an application, and just how to really pitch the benefits and everything that goes along with that, right? So,
and you're right. I mean, the technology's changing so rapidly. They got to really start digging into it. So how do they get that training?
Yeah, I mean, we've tried to make it as easy as possible. We've got the academy that we have all of our online material at, and we're really trying to meet the customer where they're at. And I think from a sales aspect, right, it makes sense that you can go online and get that information whenever and wherever you need it.
Yep.
We also do virtual webinars. We'll do in-person training as well. So we've got lots of avenues for them to gain that knowledge that they're looking for.
So I know now Bosch has some training for my sales guys. How do they get to that training, or where do they go to for that?
Yeah. So the first thing is we go right to the academy itself, right? So it's the academy at BoschSecurity.com. You can go right online, you can register there, and then you can get the information that you need right there. You'll see it in a new format. We've actually reformatted the website a little bit to make it easier to navigate. And so you'll see it by product line, and then also by commercial, and also by technical training.
Nice. So at this point, I go to the website, I check what I want to be able to get into, either a webinar, a classroom, whatever I want, which makes it nice, because I know myself, I'm still a hands-on, face-to-face person. Maybe it's my age, maybe it's whatever, but I still like to be able to talk to someone and ask questions. And if you ask some of my people, I ask a lot of questions, which is good because we all learn different ways. So that makes it simple, makes it easy. If I can do a webinar, if I can do other ways to learn. Now, are there accreditations? Do they get a certificate at the end of it?
There is, yes. So certainly we're all about certificates. We will have a commercial certificate available for that at the end of the course. And that way, not only have you completed something, but you can show your boss and also say, hey, now I'm actually certified to do this. So
that's, I think, a great opportunity for everyone to learn more, stay involved with new technology. And again, those certifications are nice. At the end of the day, hey, maybe I want to make myself more marketable, even with other jobs and other aspects. So
upskilling, in today's market is certainly something that everyone needs to pay attention to. So.
Absolutely, Chuck. Thank you so much for all your time and input, and thank you for the new training academy. I really appreciate it.
Come on and see us. Thanks,
Thank
Tom.
You.